Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Kate. Today we will continue with the sight words. Have. Again, have. Last time, have. Very good. It is a dinosaur. I have a dinosaur. It is a duck. I have a duck. Nice. It is a dog. I have a dog. Wonderful. He is a doctor. I have a doctor. Wonderful. See. Faster. See. Louder. See. I see an egg. It is an egg. I see an elf. He is an elf. Very good. I see an emperor. He is an emperor. Great job. I see an elephant. It is an elephant. Nice. I. Again, I. Last time, I. Very good. I see the frog. It is a frog. Very good. I see the farmer. She is a farmer. Nice. I see the family. It is a family. Great job. I see the fish. It is a fish. Excellent work. Okay, thank you and goodbye.